Today topic, my name is P. Vanitha. Subject, Fundamentals of Geology. Chapter 2. Subject code 18 MNG 205C. Objectives of Physical Geology. Define the physical geology, origin of the earth. This topic today discuss and teaching the our subject. Define the physical geology. Physical geology deals with the endogenous, internal, and exogenous, external agencies and the process that bring about changes on the Earth's surface. James Hutton is regarded as the father of physical geology. Physical geology may be defined as the branches of geology which deals with the study of physical forces and processes that bring about changes in the earth crust or to the surface of the earth on account of their prolonged existence and action. Physical geology is the study of the earth's cracks, minerals, and soils and how they have formed through time. Complex internal process such as plate tectonics and mountain buildings have formed these rocks and brought them to the earth surface and explain origin of the earth. Earth along with the other planet is believed to have been born 4.5 billion years ago as a solidified cloud of dust and gases left over from the creation of the sun. Earth is part of the solar system. Although it is the most studied planet, it cannot be completely understood in isolation. The chemistry of meteorites and sun provide constraints on the composition of the bulk of the earth. Early theories, nebular hypothesis, Kant and Laplace. The theories of one of the primary planet in the solar system. The principal theories to explain the origin of the earth can be divided into two groups of thought. All these theories have a common idea that the planet evolved from the sun. Evolutionary theories, catastrophic theories, and gaseous theories, and also the theory of best theory is nebular hypothesis, Kant and Laplace. The theory early earliest theory of the origin of the earth was proposed by the German philosopher Kant 1755 and then by the French mathematician Laplace 1796. According to this hypothesis, the planetary system is believed to have been involved from a large hot gaseous nebula rotating in space. Latin nebula means mist. A huge mass of swirling cold gas and dust nebula in an area in the Milky Way galaxy. The, this cloud of gas and dust began to condense or pull together under the force of its own gravity. As a result, nebula conserved angular moment of the material drawn the center it spanning anti-clockwise. Due to this, the material around the center of the condensing nebula flattened out into disc-like shape. The center of the nebula continued to contact due to gravity. Eventually, pressure and temperature in this mass become high enough the nebula fusion started and central mass became a star, the sun. The originally there was a large hot gas nebula with rotating along its axis. As the gas lost energy by radiation, it became cooler. As a result, the nebula contracted inward and its speed of rotation about its axis increased to conserve angular moment. Due to this, the centrifugal force in the equatorial zone also increased, thereby causing the nebula to bulge out in the equator zone. After cooling, a nebula continued ultimately stages comes centrifugal force. Explain the nebular hypothesis of Kant and Laplace. Immanuel Kant, 1755, a great philosopher and the whole of space, which is now occupied by the solar system, as originally filled with dis- discrete particles of solid matter. Order was brought out of chemical attraction and gravity. The denser atoms acted as nuclei or centers and gathered in the lighter atom from the region around them. In this way, he imagined that rotating vectors were formed, and as the velocity increased, the vectors became flattened. Later equator rings like nebula, that is planet. The cooling and contraction of the nebula continued, and ultimately a stage come when the centrifugal force become greater than the gravitational attraction acting inward. As a result, a gaseous ring was separated out. The above process was repeated, and successive rings of region gases materials were thrown out the central mass. In the final stage, the rings condensed into planets. The central mass of the nebula continued to shrink and finally formed the sun. Laplace 1796 was assumed that this nebula was intensely hot and also that is rotated about its center. When contraction, the rate of rotation increased and ultimately, in the outer part, centrifugal force balanced gravitation. Then the centrifugal force was greater than gravitation, an equatorial ring of matter parted from the layer below which continued to cool and to contract. At the same time, the polar axis became reduced. This process was repeated again and again, and the matter in each ring so formed segregated in nuclei and condensed into planet whose orbit mark the position of the original rings from which they were formed. The hottest central mass of the primitive fluid was left behind as the sun. This is the nebula. First become come the nebula. It is the nebula, uh, Latin word means mist formed, and a gaseous rings with a nebula. ఫస్ట్ మనకు ఫార్మేషన్ అయింది నెబుల్లా. దీన్ని లాటిన్ వర్డ్లో మనం మిస్ట్ అని పిలుస్తాము. దీని చుట్టూ గ్యాసెస్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి. లార్జ్ హాట్ మెటీరియల్, ఎక్కువ వేడి ఉన్నటువంటి గ్యాసెస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈ నెబుల్లా చుట్టూ ఒక యాక్సిస్లో రింగ్ లాగా తిరగడంని మనం దీన్ని నెబుల్లా రింగ్ అని అంటున్నాం. అండ్ ఏమవుతుంది తర్వాత ఒక సెంట్రిఫ్యూగల్ ఫోర్స్ ఈక్విటార్ డైరెక్షన్స్లో రొటేట్ కావడం వల్ల ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ సర్వర్డ్ రింగ్స్ లాగా ఫార్మేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. ది రింగ్స్ కండెన్స్ అయిపోయి వాటి గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్సెస్ అండ్ అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి సెంట్రిఫ్యూగల్ ఫోర్సెస్ అంతా కూడా సడన్గా కండెన్సేషన్ జరిగిపోయి రింగ్స్ అనేవి ఒక బల్జ్ లాగా ఫార్మేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఇలా ఫార్మేషన్ జరిగితే దాన్ని ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒక్కొక్కటి ఒక స్టేజెస్లో ప్లానెట్స్ అనేది ఫార్మేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని మనం నెబులార్ హైపోథీసిస్ అని అంటున్నాం. Furthermore, Kant Laplace theory maintained that at the time of separation from ancestral solar nebula, how our Earth was a hot molten gaseous sphere. This ball again, by virtue of centrifugal force, rejected a ring that rolled up into another sphere, thus forming its moon. By mean of radiating energy into surrounding cold space, the earth gradually cooled and contracted more and more, thus turning into some kind of lava, and at the end, thicked at the surface into solid crust covering hot Earth's interior until the present day. On the cooling Earth's surface, hot vapors and gases condensed into water and atmosphere also originated as by product of this process. This process means formed in mainly mainly discussed two ways, merits and demerits. These are formed in merits and demerits. This theory hypothesis is made to explain for similar direction of rotational of the all plates and the sun. These are merit. It also account for the same plane of rotation of the planet. These are merits. Nebul demerit of the hypothesis. The hypothesis fall, fail to explain the observed differences in the density, size, and mass of the planets of the solar system. certain planets were explained Venus and some satellites of Mars and Jupiter's etc. rotating in a direction direction opposites to that of the other planets and sun. These are also one of the demerit. This process of condensation of highly rarefied gas into rings rather than it disappearation into space is questioned. It does not satisfy the principles of conservation of angular moment in the solar system. This theory was rejected when it was learned that the angular moment of the solar system is concer- concentrated in the planet and not the sun. This is the our topic is nebula hypothesis, Kant and Laplace.